So, good morning students. It is a competence class of grade 12, lesson number 14, connecting Python with MySQL. Okay. So, first what you have to do now? First you have to go to in Windows Start button. Then after that you have to click MySQL. Okay. Then as usual what we will do? We will give the root password. Okay. So, if you give the password root means then MySQL will be ready. You have to access the database first. So type use db12 semicolon. Now SQL is ready. Okay, fine. So in this MySQL, you have to type select start from depth. So depth is a table name. So already this table is ready. So now this table will appear. Okay, in this table, what are the columns? J code, job, place and salary. Then you just see how many rows are there. D01 row, then D02 row, then D03 and D04 row. Totally how many rows are there? Totally 4 rows are there. Okay, fine. So what you have to do now? You have to add one more row in this table. What is your role? What is this program? In the program you have to add one more row in this table. You are asking now, sir, already I know how to add one more row. Then why you are teaching again? Like this you may ask. The thing is that you should not use SQL programming. Okay? You should not use SQL coding. SQL coding use பண்ணவே கூடாது. Rather, you have to write the code in Python. நீங்க பைத்தான்ல programming code எழுத போறீங்க such that SQL ல one more row add ஆக போகுது. Once again I will repeat, in Python you are going to write a code and that will be reflected back in MySQL such that in this place D05 media Salem 10,000 is going to be inserted. Okay, wow, SQL insert ஆகும்போது by means of Python code. So அந்த Python code தான் நம்ம இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, so we are going to see what Python code we are going to write. Clear? Okay, done. So after finishing this code, after finishing this Python code, what will happen? இந்த Python code முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன நடக்க போகுது அப்படினா in MySQL if you type select start from depth, once again the same, if you give this means what will happen? So D01 to D04 all will appear including D05 media Salem 2000. This also will appear in the program, in the coding, Python coding எழுதுறதுக்கு அப்புறம் D01 to D05 will appear. This line will be inserted in both Python also, in both SQL also. Clear? Okay. Shall I go for next step? Okay, right. Okay, students, just listen. So I told you in MySQL if you type select start from depth means you will receive D01 to D04. Now then you have to insert this D05 media Salem 10,000. Actually, initially it will not be there. We have to insert and then only this line will come. To insert, what code we have to write in SQL code? What code we have to type in Python? So let us discuss. Okay? So if you want to insert means, this is what table? This is depth table. Okay, so in SQL, if you want to insert means what coding means? Insert into depth. Depth means what? It is nothing but a table name. This one, table name. Okay, then we are going to give some values now. So you have to give values. Insert into depth values. Within the bracket, you have to write how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values you have to write. So since this is not a number, this is a then comma, then media is your bracket. So media you type and give within single quotes, comma, Salem is your bracket. So you have to give within single quotes. So Salem, single quotes, comma, don't forget to put the comma, 10,000 is simply a number, so 10,000 bracket closed. After values you have to do the bracket. Then before the semicolon you have to close the bracket and you have to put semicolon. Semicolon koda marandradinga. Clear? Okay. So this is the code you will write in SQL. You already know this one. But now I teach you how to write the Python code. In the line ku badila Python code a simple small modification. What modification? Say insert. Super. Okay, then into depth, same, everything is same, into depth. Okay, then values also same values. Easy now? Okay, but here, this D05 is your bracket. So what you have to know, in Python, here you have to give one flower bracket, open, flower bracket, closed. Since it is a bracket, you have to give single quotes, flower bracket, single quotes. Got it? Okay. Then comma, here also comma. So instead of media is a bracket. Media is a bracket. It's a character. Okay. So instead of this one, you have to write. So since media has single quotes now, so this bracket also will have single quotes. So single quotes. Then comma. Okay, then Salem. Salem is a vector or not? So now here what I have to do? You tell me. Yes. Flower bracket. Open, flower bracket closed. Then single quotes. So here also single quotes. So this comma you have to do it here. Comma. 10,000 is a number. And this number don't have any single quotes. No single quotes. No single quotes. Clear? So here what you have to do? Yes, the same flower bracket, but you should not give single quotes. Clear? Okay. And now after this one, you have to give dot format. After this you have to give dot format. Okay, just a minute, I will check the coding. Okay, after finish, you have to close the bracket and listen carefully. Here you have to close the bracket. Okay, listen. Here you have to, here open bracket is there now. Since we have opened the bracket, here you have to close the bracket. And I told you already in Python code, before the insert you have to give double quotes, and at the end also you have to give one double quotes. Understand? Once again I repeat, if it is a Python code means you have to start with double quotes, and while finishing you have to finish with double quotes. Understand? Okay. But something is missing now. You see, in here, you see, SQL code we are giving the value D05, media, Salem, 10,000 directly we are giving the value. But in Python code, simply square bracket means what value is going to be inserted. Appa in D05, media, Salem, 10,000 ella kudukunu illaya. How to give means idukku appo dhaan kudukkom. Or means here you have to give dot format. Okay, so after dot format, just a minute. Okay, after dot format you have to give open bracket and close bracket. Inside that you have to write this thing, the same thing you are going to copy. So D05 single quotes, comma, yes, media single quotes, media single quotes, comma, then Salem single quotes, Salem single quotes, comma, 10,000, comma, 10,000, close bracket. That's all. Okay. So once again I will repeat. So insert into depth values. The same you are right here. Insert into depth values. Okay. Fine. Then while starting you have to give the double quotes. use double quotes, and after this what is this flower bracket you are closing now. Immediately you have to close the double quotes. Double quotes inga aradhireenga, double quotes in the flower bracket ku adutha mudikireenga. Clear? Okay. After this double quotes you have to do dot format. Edhu dot format kudukurom? Because we have to use this values now, so that here you have to do dot format. Then for this one we are giving B05. For this flower bracket we are giving media. For this flower bracket we are giving Salem. For this normal bracket we are giving 10,000 and then close the bracket. So in the all values ko Indian we have to do the normal brackets. Clear? So if you do this means Python la neenga coding irundhale this data will be reflected back and this will be inserted in MySQL. Understand? If you write the coding in Python and that will be reflected back in MySQL, you can go and check. You can go and again you type select star from depth. Again you type means you can see all the D01 to D05 data. Clear? Okay. Now I will explain to you the full coding of Python. This is the partial code. Now I am going to explain the full code of Python. Okay? Okay, get ready. So, okay students, now you are going to see the Python full code. You see, very small program. Okay? So now I am going to explain this one. Okay? So import mysql.connector. mysql.connector means what will happen now? You see, in the program we are type pannadina Python la type pandrom. So this code where we are typing in Python. Very good. Now mysql.connector abina Python edhum connect agum. Super. So this Python and this MySQL will be connected. Okay? So as SQL dot either a short form na SQL dot. Clear? Okay. So listen, in the line எதுக்கு equal அப்படினா நீங்க start ல போயிட்டு MySQL கிளிக் பண்றீங்கல அதுக்கு equal. Clear? Okay. Then mycon is equal to SQL dot. This SQL dot. Okay? So in the SQL dot என்னது? So it will connect Python and MySQL. Okay. Then connect ஆகும்போது okay, you see you want to get inside MySQL means first you have to give password, then you have to give use db12 semicolon. Correct? Okay. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்? You have to give the details. Host is localhost, எப்பவுமே localhost தான். User is equal to root, always user equal to root only, no problem. Then usually we will go password na unga computer la enna password கொடுத்தீங்க உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Okay? So for SQL password in our computer lab we are using small root. Okay? So password is equal to in my system I am using capital root. Okay? So capital R O O T. Okay? So this is my password and my database name is db12. So I am giving database is equal to within single quotes db12. Listen carefully. The host name, user name, password, database name, everything you have to give within single quotes. எல்லாமே single quotes la dhaan இருக்கணும். Clear? So in the line, this line எதுக்கு equal அப்படினா நீங்க MySQL ல போய்ட்டீங்க, then நீங்க password use db12 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா எந்த அளவுக்கு வேலை செய்யும், the same thing will be happen here. Got it? Okay. And now cursor is equal to mycon.cursor. என்னது அப்படினா SQL coding ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க select star from கொடுத்தீங்க, select கொடுத்தீங்களா, select என்ன பண்ணும், it will select a particular rows. Suppose நீங்க select யூஸ் பண்ணலனா எந்த ரோவுமே select ஆகாது. Correct? Okay. So select க்கு பதிலா Python ல என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னா we are using cursor. SQL ல select இல்லனா எதையுமே select பண்ண முடியாது. அதே மாதிரி Python ல cursor இல்லனா எதையுமே select பண்ணவும் முடியாது, அது டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணவும் முடியாது. Clear? So instead of select I am typing cursor. So mycon, this mycon dot cursor, it is equal to select. Okay, so this power we are transferring to cursor. Okay, very simple da. Micron.cursor அப்படிங்கிறது length ஆ இருக்கு. இதோட shortest form வந்து cursor. Clear? Okay. Fine. So this cursor we are writing here. So cursor that we are going to select something. Okay. We are going to some area. Okay. So cursor dot execute. We are going to execute. நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ. If you type cursor dot execute means within the bracket you have to write just like SQL code. Okay. So cursor dot execute in the area குள்ள என்ன பண்ணனும்னா you want to select or you want to insert. You want to insert, right? So the insert code you have to give. Clear? மறுபடி சொல்றேன், insert code நீங்க கொடுக்கணும் அப்படினா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி you have to give கண்ணை மூடிட்டு என்ன பண்ணனும், cursor dot execute எழுதிடு. So cursor dot execute open bracket close bracket inside you write insert into depth values. Clear? So insert into depth values as I told you varchar. So flower bracket single quotes. Then for this 15,000 it is a number, so no need of single quotes. Days in the value single quotes in the flower bracket single quotes. Median single quotes in the, so flower bracket single quotes. For salary single quote is there, so this flower bracket single quote is there. So 15,000 no single quotes, so here also no single quotes. Clear? Okay. So closes double quotation. So here dot format, the value you have to write the next line. First you have to give the flower bracket, and next you have to give the values, and before that you have to write dot format. Clear? Okay. Then micron dot commit. This is very important line. This line micron dot commit. If this line is not given, in the line you kudukave idha vechikalam. What will happen now? And this coding will not reflect it back in MySQL. MySQL changes nadakkanum அப்படினா, okay, so you have to use micron.commit. Suppose this line is not given means SQL ல போய் பாக்கும்போது அந்த D05 line insert ஆகி இருக்காது. Clear? Okay. So micron.commit will help to reflect it back in MySQL. Clear? Okay. Then சரி SQL போய் ஒரு இந்த லைன் ஃபுல்லா சேவ் ஆயிடுச்சு. that's not okay. சேவ் ஆனதா இல்லையா சொல்லிட்டு பைத்தான்ல இருந்து நான் செக் பண்ணனும். I want to check this data whether it is inserted or not. I want to see in Python itself. That means what I have to do now, I have to do cursor.execute. Okay, the same cursor.execute here இது வந்து SQL code. So if you are giving SQL code means before that you have to do cursor.execute. Okay, one more question. If you are going to write an SQL code means before that you have to write what? Cursor.execute. Understand? Okay. Fine. So cursor.execute select star from depth. That is complete depth table ready ஆயிடுச்சு. Okay, fine. Then for row in cursor.fetch all. That means depth அப்படிங்கற டேபிள்ல how many rows are there? Since we are inserted now 5 rows are there. Okay, so இங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்னா இந்த fetch all அப்படினா now D01 to D05 all the rows will be there. We have given fetch all now, so all the 5 rows will be ready. Now in the first time execute means it will receive D01 etc. line. Then it will print the row. Which row? D01. Then for what is it? Media. Then another place is Delhi. Then 60,000 landed. I forgot the first line. Is something I write. So first line enna irukko that it will receive. Okay. Then it will print that row. So it will print lines. Okay, it will print lines. Comma will be coming. இப்படிதான் SQL Python ல print ஆகும். Python ல print ஆகும்னா it will come with single quotes, it will come with comma. பைத்தான்ல print ஆகும்போது கமா போடும். Clear? Okay. So listen. Second time the form of execute means it will receive D02. It will receive D02 etc. So now it will print the second row. It will print D02 comma marketing comma Chennai comma 40,000. Something I forgot those lines. No problem. So first line what is there? It will print as the first line. So second row what is there? It will print as the second row. Okay. So very simple. If it is printed in Python means the data will be separated by comma. Python la data print ஆகும்போது data வந்து comma வந்து separate பண்ணும். Clear? If it is a varchar means single quotes will appear. Clear? Okay. So that's all students.